In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import overlays into Luminar Neo. Whether you're looking to enhance your photos with additional effects or adding creative elements, learning how to import overlays can significantly elevate your editing game. So let's get started. First, you need to launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. You probably have the app icon right there, ready to go, so give it a click and open it up. Once Luminar Neo is running, your first step is to select the image you want to work on. Head over to the Catalog tab, which is usually where all your images are stored. You can simply click on the photo from the list provided. If your desired image isn't already there, don't worry, you can easily add it by clicking on Add Photos. This will open a file dialog on your computer, allowing you to navigate through your files and select the image you want to import. It's a straightforward step, but crucial to get us rolling. Once you have your image ready, it's time to move to the Edit tab. You'll find this option in the navigation menu. In the Edit section, look for the Layers icon on the left-hand side, which resembles a stack of papers. Clicking this icon will bring up the Layers panel. This is where we'll do most of our work today. In the Layers panel, take a look for the plus sign. It usually indicates adding something new, and in this case, it will let us add a new layer. Give that plus sign a click. A file browser window will then pop up. Now, this is where you find your overlay file. Navigate through your computer files to locate the overlay you want to use. Once you find the perfect overlay, click on it to select it. Once selected, it will be added as a new layer positioned over your existing photo. With the overlay now part of your project, select the overlay layer to start making adjustments. Luminar Neo provides a suite of tools located on the right side under Layer Properties and Masking Tools. These are pretty powerful tools. You can tweak the opacity to make your overlay more or less visible, change the blending mode for different effects, and use the masking tools to focus the overlay on specific parts of the image. Feel free to experiment with these settings until you achieve the desired look. And there you have it. You've now successfully imported an overlay into Luminar Neo and adjusted it to fit perfectly with your image. Remember, the key to mastering overlays is practice and experimentation. So, go ahead and explore all the creative possibilities this feature offers. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!